and welcome back to my YouTube channel. So today's video is a vlog. Now, if you've been on my channel since forever, you guys know that I don't really put up vlogs because I kind of don't feel the need to vlog about my daily life since I don't really find it that interesting. But June has been such an eventful month and I can't wait to show you guys the highlights. If you follow me on Instagram, then you guys have probably seen this photo. I'm working with Globe Philippines and they are bringing Style Fest to Manila. It's a 3-day event that will run from September 7 to 9 at the Globe Iconic Theater at BGC or at the Grand Hyatt Manila. As a beauty vlogger and enthusiast, I can't wait to attend this event because there's gonna be a lot of workshops there given by the best of the best in the Philippines. But September seems so far away, so for now you can follow StyleFest PH on Instagram to get your dose of fashion and beauty tips. If you guys want to see what happened at the launch event and some of the other highlights of my month, then just keep on watching. Hey everybody, so today is June 12. Happy Independence Day! Today is a holiday, so I'm going out to see my best friend. I just finished with work, so now it's like 1:30 in the afternoon and I told my best friend that I'm gonna meet her at 2 p.m. We're gonna meet somewhere in Ortigas, so that's pretty close from where she lives and that's halfway from where I live. I can't wait to see her and actually have this time to sit down and talk to her because it's been such a freaking long time. So I want you guys to meet her, so I'm bringing you guys with me. My OOTD is really simple today, so I'm just gonna show you guys through the mirror. I'm wearing a long sweater, but this is actually like really thin fabric, so I'm not gonna feel hot if ever we decide to stay out or if we go to an air-conditioned place. At least I have this rain jacket, and it's also pretty helpful for when I get in and out of the car so I don't get wet. It also has a hoodie. This is from Zara. My top is also from Zara. My jeans are from Aeropostale, and I'm just gonna wear white sneakers because all my white sneakers are pretty much dirty anyways, so it doesn't really matter if I'm gonna get like mud on it or not. Hi! Di ko alam kung That's my best friend, yo! What?
Oh, look at my bag. I wanna feature my bag.
Sabi ko kasi na I'm gonna pick you up and we're gonna go out. Whoa! Sobrang tapang pala ng lipstick na to.
Oh, maybe on cam.
Maybe. In person, hindi ba?
Hindi naman. I like the...
QMs? Bakit QMs?
Quadrupetal movements.
Quadrupetal movements?
Quadrupetal movements, bali ginagamit natin yung arms tsaka yung legs natin na sabay. Parang animals na may 4 legs.
Ah, okay, gets. Hey guys, so today is June 19, it's a Tuesday, and it's currently 2:28 p.m. I'm on the way to the Globe Style Fest event. It's still surreal for me that they contacted me and tapped me as one of their influencers for this new program or project. It's been always my dream, honestly, to work with a big brand like Globe. It's my first real big event. I hope that I'm not awkward or shy. Or sometimes kasi kapag nasya-shy ako, honestly, para akong masungit. So I hope that doesn't really happen. I hope that my face will relax today and I hope that I, appear to be friendly to some people, hopefully. Anyway, we're on the way there and I will talk to you guys later because baka mamaya paparahin ako ng police. Quick OOTD. So I have the LS jacket from my boyfriend, my Adidas gym pants, and just a plain black top. Then my Adidas shoes.
So being number one is a very responsible position, but we didn't get to number one without ourselves. We did it with partners. And we did it with big international partners, okay? Style Talks. We're bringing in top people in the beauty industry. And it's kind of, I'm not supposed to say this, but I'll say it. It's kind of like TED Talk. You know, they get up here and you can listen to them. And you get to sit in the audience and you get to hear from international as well as local, right? People in the beauty industry. Style Space is actually will be in another location at the Iconic store. This is your ability to learn more about particular products. You can purchase things. It's a way to interact with different booths of people that are in the industry. Style Spotting, you cannot have Style Week without fashion shows, right? So we have a series of a bunch of fashion shows, including the highest end social fashion show to streetwear. So there'll be a lot of fun parties of which you may get tickets or you may be kawawa and sitting outside. So.
And Lifestyle Editor. It's a style council making their way on stage. We also have Leia de Guzman, head of Globe Lifestyle and 0917. We also have Pam Quiñones, fashion stylist and creative director of Curator Incorporated. Still more to come. Jigs Mayuga, ladies and gentlemen. Of course, we have professional makeup artist Jigs Mayuga. Paulo Campos, co-founder and CEO of Zalora Philippines. And a name we all know, Ino Soto, style icon. And yes, fashion designer, ladies and gentlemen. I know this is a moment everyone here, fashionistas or not, would like to commemorate. Step on forward. May I ask our style council to please squeeze in center stage.